Something happened recently that shook up the crypto community and made a lot of people nervous, especially those who own Shiba Inus. Some have even made the decision to leave for good. But what if this problem is really masking a golden opportunity? Some people may see this as the turning point in their lives, even when everyone else is running away in fear. Give me a moment to explain. Your daily dose of Shiba is here with Wealthy Coin. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Hit that like button if you want to see more SHIB news stories. It seems like the worst possible situation is unfolding for the Shiba Inu right now. The scenario is not going according to plan, according to the Shiba Inu's performance in the market. According to the latest findings from Sandiment, Shiba Inu has been lagging behind its fierce competitor, Dogecoin. There has been a small decrease in its trading returns during the last week. It may not seem scary at first look, but the bigger picture is looking a little more worrying, even though the 7-day average has only dropped by about 1%. Do the Shiba Inu members just sit around waiting for the right moment to act? Is this protracted standstill due to something more fundamental, though? In light of these numbers, it's clear that the Shiba Inu is having trouble making a full comeback, and the market is starting to feel the brunt of this. But is this something we need to think about in order to raise these kinds of issues? Well, Sandiment claims that this decline has set the token up for future gains once Bitcoin stays stable and altcoins rebound quickly. But they are nonetheless major setbacks that will hurt the token in the long run. Consequently, why is this happening? Problems that Shiba Inus have been having as of late have nothing to do with numbers in the market. They are also obligated to participate in community events. There has been a precipitous fall in 2024 in the amount of social activity pertaining to Shiba Inus. There has been a noticeable drop in interest in the coin since late July, as debates about it have hit new lows. Little people who were once quite engaged and passionate have started to retreat, leaving traders increasingly frustrated as the euphoria surrounding Shiba Inu fades as a result. Of this change, there is less interest in and conversation about the coin, which has lowered its support and confidence levels. Reduced community engagement is making an already tough situation much worse for Shiba Inus, who are already facing problems in the market. Consequently, the question of why this is happening might be strongly linked to these shifts in investor sentiment and social dynamics. But what will happen in the end as a result of this? For the Shiba Inu, will this be the last straw? The token might still recover from the Shiba Inu incident. The future is unclear, even if there are significant challenges right now. Shiba Inu, according to several crypto experts, may still have hope for a comeback, unlike other pitiful cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin. The fact that there has been talk of a shift in the Shiba Inu investor environment is fascinating. People who have less have shown signs of relief among retail businesses. A smaller fraction of wallets holding less than 1 billion Shiba Inus currently make up the total supply. It appears that many small holders have left the market, as this is the lowest point since November 2022. Consequently, the most common kind of pouch is one that can hold over 1 billion Shiba Inus. This change, according to Sandiment, is a sign of the widespread fear, uncertainty, and doubt that is now impacting the Shiba Inu ecology. On the other hand, we have heard nothing but bad things about the Shiba Inu. A fresh report of a major security vulnerability has surfaced right when we thought things could not get worse. The problems with Shiba Inu seem to be piling up, says Slomist, a blockchain security company. The biggest and oldest Indonesian exchange, Indodax, has been hit by a serious security flaw. The attack resulted in the confiscation of numerous cryptocurrencies, including a significant quantity of Shiba Inu valued at $22 million. Even more bad news for the Shiba Inu token: the thief stole 9 billion tokens. This makes its recovery process even more difficult, making the problems it had faced even worse. And fresh development has emerged since the major security breach, further complicating matters. The analytics tool LookInChain reports that the criminal responsible for the heist has reportedly already stashed most of the stolen funds in more secure cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This means the criminal has apparently lost possession of the 9 billion Shiba Inu tokens that were taken from Indodax. The cost of Shiba Inus did not go up, and that's a nice bonus. As a result of exchanging the stolen Shiba Inu tokens for other tokens, the immediate market effect could not be as big as expected. The crypto community should take heed from the security incident, but Shiba Inu still has good long-term prospects thanks to a declining token supply and ever-improving security standards. Hence, do not risk losing money. I am hopeful. The existence of the Shiba Inu is far from over. Actually, many people are still quite hopeful about the Shiba Inu's future, and these recent events might be the best chance for the breed in a long time. The purchase of millions of Shiba Inu coins at their present discounted prices may be a profitable opportunity, according to recent commentary by crypto specialist Lola. Lola stresses that the chance to get rich with a Shiba Inu is like the early days of Dogecoin before its big price spike. Both are comparable, she says. The moment to get wealth through Dogecoin at discounted pricing, according to Lola, has passed. On the other hand, a similar possibility is now being presented by the Shiba Inu. The recent volatility and failures are disheartening, but they are also part of the bigger picture in the cryptocurrency market. Buying Shiba Inu coins now can lead to huge profits in the next bull run, so the thinking goes. This professional opinion suggests that despite Shiba Inu having lately faced some difficult conditions, the present state of affairs is not the end. It could also be just setting the stage for a possible turnaround. The recent turmoil may be seen as just a temporary setback rather than a reason for concern, despite its importance. The argument is that Shiba Inu's present lower price may offer a better entry point for future returns, even if both Shiba Inu and Doge would need tremendous price increases to become millionaires. Those who are optimistic about the impending substantial bull run may find Shiba Inu to be a good fit, according to Lola's study, which does not take into account the recent changes. Along with the growing hope, despite previous losses, current sources suggest a significant reversal could be on the horizon. The fact that trade activity has increased today is even more promising. In the event that something major changes today, you remember that we talked about how activity will drop significantly. The Shiba Inu market has seen a 60% surge in trading volume over the last 24 hours, reaching $514. This uptick in activity indicates that investors are getting back into the Shiba Inu market, buying dogs at these discounted prices with the hope of making a profit later on. In addition, Shiba Inu's market valuation has jumped over 1% to nearly $10.7 billion, suggesting a resurgence of interest in the company. Despite the recent setbacks, investors are showing a lot of enthusiasm, as shown by the rise in trade and market capitalization. Shiba Inus are probably seeing the present slump as an opportunity, thus this upsurge in market activity might usher in a more substantial return for the breed in the not-too-distant future. This suggests that things may be starting to look up despite the fact that there has been a great deal of upheaval. The small price recovery and higher trading volume might be signs of a bigger recovery in the horizon. Why did they make such a sudden purchase? Lucy offered some interesting insight into the possible effects of various months on the cryptocurrency market, highlighting the causes of particular drops and moves. There seems to be a different crypto mood every month, according to this tweet. October, the month of October, is infamous for wreaking havoc on investment plans and objectives. This month's pattern seems to line up with the recent upheaval that Shiba Inu has been going through. It is possible that the steep drops in market problems are related to this larger tendency, which is usually marked by significant losses in September. Despite the difficulties, it is essential to recognize that these patterns are part of the cyclical character of cryptocurrency. Looking ahead, additional possibilities may arise in the months to come, including October, which might give a much-needed boost. This month marked the greatest robbery in Shiba Inu history, so keep that in mind. It is important to remember that market falls are a normal part of the cryptocurrency landscape, and historical trends of September suggest that downturns are likely. Having said that, how do you feel about that? Do not hesitate to post a comment. I can't wait to get your take on things.